Hello, this is how to configure your PS4 controller to your PC to play games such as FIFA. Uh, this method, for this method, you're gonna have to download this file here, this software called the S4 Windows, and you can see this website, the link on the description below. So first thing you open it, click download, get the latest version, and here you have two versions of your Windows. So 64 bits or 86 bits. Mine is 64, so I'm gonna load this one here. I already have it here. So once you extract the file, you're gonna click on the DS4 Windows. Gonna open. Uh, well, this appears, so you have to click in More Info, Run Anyway. Pick where you want to save the data. So choose Program Folder. So now you have to install the driver, which is pretty simple. You're gonna install. Click here. If you have Windows 7, by the way, you're gonna click here, this second option. So next, install, finish. That's it. Drivers are installed. You can click finish. So you have the program open. Now I'm gonna plug in my controller to the USB port. So I plugged. If nothing appears, I can click stop, start. Yeah, now we got it. That's it. Here you have, you can see if everything is working. You can go to edit your controller, can go to control readings and see if everything is working fine. Yep, everything is good. So that's it. If you want to check how to configure via Bluetooth, just comment below, leave a comment below, and I'll record it. Thank you.